Hi guys, it's me, Latoya, and I want to thank you for tuning into another video. I really appreciate it. This video is going to be on how I do my wash day routine. If you are interested in watching, then definitely keep on viewing, keep on watching. I really appreciate all the support and love I get on my Instagram from you guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna post my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me. I'll post my other tags as well. Maybe for Snapchat you guys can follow me. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, so my wash routine is really simple. First, I just put my hair in twists, and as you can see, I am just wetting the twist. I also like to work in sections, and I'm just using this scrunchie to tie up the top section of my hair. I like to use Head and Shoulders as my shampoo just because it thoroughly cleanses my scalp. I have a really tender scalp and a really tender head, so I find that using Head and Shoulders really helps in easing the tenderness of my scalp. A buildup of dandruff can attribute to scalp tenderness, so that's why using Head and Shoulders, which has a medicative property inside of it, really helps to remove the dandruff from my scalp. And as you can see now, I'm just rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. I always section my hair when shampooing, and each section I shampoo twice. Now I'm just washing the front section of my hair and rinsing the shampoo out. To condition my hair, I am using TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And look at this texture shot. You can't tell me nothing. Oh, yes, baby. I'm just taking a dollop of the conditioner, putting it on my section. I always work in sections, guys. That's just the way to go. It's so much easier. And I'm just taking my shower comb and combing my hair out, detangling it from the ends to the root. And I would go through each twist and do the same thing. But once I'm done detangling, I twist it back up. And I have to say it again, working in sections is just really helpful for me just because my hair is really thick and it just helps make the process a lot smoother. I did leave my conditioner in for about 15 minutes, but I forgot to include that. Right now I'm just rinsing my hair out. And you could definitely deep condition with this mask. Just put a plastic bag over your hair and sit under a dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. But that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.